Hello everyone, I'm Chef Sheila and I'm up for the challenge, the All-Day Mystery Box Challenge, Chef's Edition. I wonder what's in the box. We have lemons, ripe mangoes, bell pepper, garlic, ginger, I love ginger, red chili, wow, white onions, spring onions, cilantro. I love it. They're all fresh and you can get them from AllDay Supermarket. Pineapple. Oh, we have cashew nuts here. Coconut cream. Okay, I have curry powder here. Interesting. Of course, we have rice. I think this will be our main ingredient. Oh, okay. We have tiger prawns. I love it. It looks really fresh and they're so big. I already have 2 exciting recipes in mind, perfect with these ingredients. Let's start with our pineapple fried rice. We're going to add the diced pineapple. And chopped cilantro. Turn up the heat. Taste it. Seasoning is perfect. We're going to set this aside. Our next dish is prawns with coconut mango curry sauce. And saute them together until everything is aromatic. Now we're going to add the coconut cream. So you have to use coconut cream instead of coconut milk so that it's going to give you a creamy texture. I'm going to add our mangoes. And a little bit of water. And then you simmer it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Check the seasoning. So good. Now I'm going to pull it down. And you let it simmer just for about 2 to 3 minutes. So here's our pineapple fried rice and prawns with coconut mango curry sauce. What I love about these dishes is the mixture of tropical flavors. And what's even more exciting is that I got to cook with the freshest ingredients from AllDay Supermarket. Shop at AllDay Supermarket for all your grocery needs and find the lowest prices for the highest quality products. Enjoy convenient, hassle-free online grocery shopping for the freshest produce every day. Visit www.allday.com.ph to book 24/7 same-day delivery in selected branches. Follow AllDay Supermarket socials and be the first to know of the latest promos, recipes, and new products.